Good day guys, my name is SAX Barista and I'm here to give a quick breakdown of my saxophone solo on Call Me Everyday by Chris Brown featuring Wizkid. I got a lot of DMs as regards this, so I said why not, let me give it a shot. Yeah, so I got a call from Blaze Beats, my guy Uber, as regards playing the saxophone on the song. So he sent me the song and a couple of minutes, less than an hour, I was in my studio fortunately that day. I played it, exported it, sent it to him, and it was like mad. He loved the lines. Funny enough, I didn't realize how good the lines were until the song came out, or until that snippet where Chris Brown was dancing and the song came out and people were DMing me and who was the sax guy. The sax is one of the most beautiful things of the project. That's when I realized that, oh wow, this is actually lit. So here's a slowed down version of the solo. So I did a slaw into the third, touched the fifth, then I did a chromatic run down to the second. So that's your chromatic scale is very important as a saxophonist. So such runs, I play the chromatic very fast. That's after from the fifth to the second. I did a chromatic run down there. Then so there, after the diatonic rundown, I did a double slur, a double grace note actually, double grace notes. So I just articulated it with my tongue. So I did parito. That was a grace note with my hands. I was gracing the first note. Then I did a chromatic run down to my third note. So that was a bebop scale that I infused there. Then that was grace notes. I use grace notes and slow with my tongue, not grace. There's this connection. You're slurring, your tongue and your hands must do together. If you do it without your tongue, it won't have that weight. That's the double grace notes I mentioned earlier. Yeah. So that was a double grace note on my fifth. Then I did a diatonic rundown. Then from the fifth, I did a chromatic rundown to my seventh. So chromatic scale is very important, guys. Very important. After mastering it, take your time, master it slowly. Then after mastering it slowly, you can infuse it into your improvisation. Just sects of it. So that was my chromatic scale, but I just played it very fast. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, kindly like, share and drop a comment. If you want me to expatiate on any of the techniques I mentioned earlier on, drop a comment. I'll do just that. If you have questions, drop a comment. I'll attend to it. I'll respond to it. Yeah, and turn on post notifications. Follow me on all platforms at SAX Barista, SAX BARRISTER. Bless.